Hi guys, this is Lipu again from Dream of Zayan. Today I'm going to discuss about all the functionalities of YouTube Studio in this video in detail surely. You know that there has lots of issues or lots of things in YouTube Studio to discuss about. I will do all these things surely in details. And another important thing is, you know that out of all these important things of YouTube Studio, the most demanding or most or very important thing is placing of thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail is such a thing which will attract, which will make, which will adorn your video or your channel very attractive, and your video will definitely attract the viewers also, which will be very beneficial and very useful to your video and to your channels definitely. Okay, let's start. But before starting the video, going to the main issues, I am requesting to all of you guys, please subscribe my channel if you don't yet, because your channel, your subscription is very valuable and very demanding or very encouraging me also, and my channels also. Okay, thank you. Let's start. First of all, YouTube Studio apps should be available on your mobile. If it is not available in your mobile, please download it from the Google Play Store and open it. Okay, let's start. If you look at the screen, you'll see that there has a menu bar on the top left corner of the screen. Okay, now I am clicking on that menu bar. Okay, I am clicking. There are 5 options. First one is dashboard, second one is videos, third one is playlist, and fourth one is comments, fifth one is analytics. Okay, now I am clicking on dashboard. If I click on dashboard, the looks of the screen is like that. Okay, like that. Okay, now we are checking all the options first. Now I click on videos. Yeah, now I click on, if I click on the playlist, the views will be like that. There is no playlist of created in my channel, so that's why no, you don't have any playlist is shown in as a message. Okay, now I can, if I click on the comments, all the comments on my channel will be available here. Okay, all the channels, all the comments in my channels. Yeah, if I click on the analytics, which is definitely one of the most issues, most point, which everybody wants to have. Okay, analytics. I have clicked on analytics, and this page is shown like that: overview, discovery, audience, interactive content, playlist. Okay, overview. Yeah, in last 48 hours estimated views is 390. Okay, real-time view, last published videos. This is the total views of all videos in my channel for the last 48 hours, and the real-time views, last published videos. This is the total, not total actually, this is the total estimated views for each videos, not total. And watch time, total watch time last 28 days is 1027 minutes, and total views in last 28 days is 1778 views. Yeah, and mm, 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 likes versus dislikes. Yeah, last 20 days 100%, previous period. Okay, subscriber. Yeah, now we can click on discovery. Discovery is impression, click-through rate, traffic sources. Yeah, that may be very important for us. For the within last 28 days, uh, channel pages, traffic source. Traffic source means how the visitors or viewers comes to your channel. Is it through YouTube search or any direct or unknown, or channel pages, external. There is many sources. There might have many sources, but this is called traffic sources. Okay, for top your external sources, etc., etc. Yeah, audience, the most favorite option to me, especially. I love to see this every day, every hours, definitely, because this channel, this is my new channel. So I'm very passionate with the channel, Dream of Zayan. Okay, I have really very big dream regarding Dream of Zayan. The audience male 74.3% who have watched my videos, female 25.7%. Male is definitely better in that case, but I'm not saying that female is worse. Female is also better, good. I think female also will watch my video in next time. A is top countries. Top countries. If you click on that, now I can see that from Bangladesh 49%, from India 9%, yeah, Vietnam 3%, Iraq, Algeria. If you click on these options, top countries, then many other countries' name will be shown here. Okay, now I am clicking on that. Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, Egypt, Morocco, Pakistan, yeah, almost every countries, most of the countries, uh, the audience have visited my channels. Okay, interactive content, yeah, playlist. As I don't have any playlist, I told you earlier, no playlist is available here. Okay, I told you earlier that I think you all guys should be more attentive now. Earlier I told you that the most demanding and most important issue is uh, how to how you place the thumbnail in your video. Uh, I'm saying again, placing thumbnail will definitely adorn your videos, and it will make your videos more attractive to look for to views, which is very attractive, which will be very attractive to the viewers, and they will be uh, attracted to your channels or videos. Okay, now I am showing you right now videos. I am going to videos now. Okay, if you see that for the last three videos, uh, all the thumbnails is same. Coursera free online course available. Now I want to change the thumbnail from one of this. Okay, now I am uh, working on the third video, free online courses from reputed universities. So in that case I have to click on that uh, videos, free online courses from reputed universities. Okay, I'm clicking on that. If you look at the screen now, you will see that there is a edit bar beside of share button. There is edit button. Now please click. I have to click on that edit button, and now I'm clicking on that edit button. Okay, click edit button. If I click on that edit button, most I can click anything from this by this option. I can edit my subject also. I can edit my description also. I can make the public video private, scheduled, many other options. Okay, add playlist. Yeah, I can also. Okay, now I can add one tag here. I can add the tag universities. Okay, universities. Okay, done. Yeah, I have to save now. Okay, now I will show you how to place the thumbnail. Okay, again please click on the edit button. Yeah, yes. If you see, if you look at the screen now, uh, if you will see that there is another edit button on the left top corner. Okay, I have to click on that again. Yeah, yes. uh, yeah, please see, look, download thumbnail. If you want to download any thumbnail from the online, then you can click on that. If you think that the thumbnail will be is available in your mobile gallery option, then you can click on change, and after clicking on changing, you will go directly to your gallery. Then you can change it. Okay, now I will click on the change option. Okay, change option, change option, change option. Yeah, now I want to place this one. This is the one. This is the certificate that I have achieved from the by the Coursera apps from Macquarie University's Sydney, Australia. Now I am placing this as the thumbnail of the video. Okay, okay, done. Uh, now I have to, sorry, I have to click on the select. Okay, select. I'm clicking select and save. Save. You can look. Save option is top right corner of the screen. Okay. Now I am clicking on that button. Save. It is saved here now. Okay. It is saved. Now look. Uh, Previously, for the first three videos, the thumbnail was the same. Now I have changed the thumbnail for free online courses from very universities. So this is how you can change or place the thumbnail, and the thumbnail should be more attractive, definitely, which will attract the viewers and subscribers to watch or to visit your channels. Okay. Okay, thank you. Best of luck to all of you. And now I am requesting to all of you again to subscribe my channel. Yeah, subscribe my channel if you don't do it again. Okay, thank you very much. Love you all. Assalamu alaikum.